Hey there, Ryan here, Silly Reviews. What we have here, if you've been wondering about them, I just got one. I've used it for a few days. This is an air fryer liner, but this is not a disposable liner. This is not a disposable air fryer liner. This is a reusable. Isn't that good for the earth? It's made out of silicone. This is made for your larger, I forget how many quart. I don't know how many quarts this is. If I had to guess, 5. Perfect fit. We'll show you that one more time. Perfect fit. This thing is awesome. All the reviews on it, pretty much positive. You know, some reviews when they say, oh, just get disposable ones because this and that, cleans up so easy. I've made eggs in it. I think I have some in the fridge actually still. Let's see. And in fact, I do. I made that in the air fryer yesterday. Folded it over. I'll eat it tonight. Diced up potatoes, onions. I put French fries in it. Put some cheese on top of stuff. I had ground meat in it. Cleans up easy. It can tolerate the high heat for a long time. It's a game changer. And it's really cool because it helped to keep that airflow going, right? So that helps it raise up just a hair in the basket. And then those grooves in there help your food come up just a little bit. And then the air is flowing. It's circular. 2 thumbs up big time. If I forget to put a link in it, I'll show you my purchase. This is the exact one that I purchased. Kasari. This is the one you want to get if you want to get the same one I got. Fits 3 to 5 quarts in it. Oh, it comes with these little silicone, like a oven mitt kind of finger doodad, so you don't burn your hands when you take it out. And you could use this for other stuff. Pretty cool. But this is the one. So if you look up Kasari liner, air fryer liner, silicone air fryer liner, you'll find it. Good reviews. I should leave a review on there too. I'll leave one here for you. Ryan for Silly Reviews. And I thank you so much for watching.